Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I already did an open the box for Freedom Grooming, for their Freedom Grooming for shaving your head and the accessories that come with it. I didn't open the box to show you what was in the box, but I didn't really give you a good review of what I thought of it. So I want to use things, I always use things before I give you guys reviews because I want to know personally how they work for me so I can share my opinion and give you a proper review of how it worked. So I will tell you, I've been shaving my head for a long time. So I've never used an electric razor to shave my head. I saw Freedom Grooming and I really wanted to give it a shot because it has a lot of really cool features about like basically being able to dry shave your head as well as shave it while in the shower because it's a waterproof razor, rechargeable. It's got a ton of accessories to it, so it's got all that. So I will say for me, I'm so used to shaving my head with a razor. Just with a quick, cheap razor, 4-blade razor. I could shave my head without looking in a mirror. I shave my head in the shower while it's wet. To me, I get a much closer shave with that, and it's really quick for me. So I can do my entire head in less than 5 minutes, and I'm done. I tried the Freedom electric razor on my head, which it has different attachments. So you can see this is an attachment for if you want to do some clipping, as well as it's got extensions. So if you wanted to do a little bit of beard trimming up or sideburns or whatever, it comes with multiple depths. So like a 3mm, 7mm, and I think this is like a 5mm, right? So it comes with those things as well. So you can actually attach this. It works really well. It also comes and has like, if you just want to do a little quick shave up on the sides, it has a pop-up one that you can do just to kind of trim and make sure those, you take care of your sideburns if you want to square it off or whatever. So the electric razor itself, I tried it with the shaving cream outside the shower and basically like you would do with a razor outside the shower, right? A little bit of moisture to it, get some moisture on your head and do that. The shaving cream inside, in doing it dry like that, it clogs the razor pretty quickly. So you'll end up having to take the razor off, basically open the razor up like this and clean out the shaving cream and of course the clippings from it, right? So that didn't really work out super well for me. So I didn't like doing it dry with the shaving cream. So I tried it dry with no shaving cream. That irritates my head quite a bit. I'm used to doing a razor, so that's why it probably irritates my head. Freedom Grooming will tell you, out of the box, if you don't use an electric razor, you need to use it for a while so your head gets used to it, right? It gets used to the motion of it and you get used to it. So you're not going over your head a gazillion times and that sort of thing. So you do have to get used to it. I used it for about a month and I did get used to it and it does do a good job. It's not quite as tight as mine is now because I went over it with a razor last night, but this works really well for if if not as tight, you're not going to get a razor smoothness to it like you would, but it gets pretty damn close. From a visual, it gets pretty close. Where I did like this is much better was doing it in the shower. So wet head, using the shaving cream, and in the shower it's so much better. So you'll get a much closer shave to it. I think it's less irritation because the heat from the shower and that sort of thing. And it worked a ton better by doing it inside the shower. So that's what I would recommend if you are an electric shaver person. So ultimately for me, I'm just a razor guy. I'm gonna go back to using just a razor. I get a tighter shave from it. I'm really, really quick with it. I do like this for all the grooming capabilities it has with it. So all the trim ups and things like that, beard trim ups, stuff like that. Love it for that. Also really love the extra products that come with it. So the pre-shave oil, use that quite a bit. Use it on my head, use it on my face and neck. I like that a lot. It smells really good. I also like the shaving cream that came with it, and it comes with a little brush, so you can brush it on like a professional, right? So really like this. Works really well. Just doesn't work well outside the shower if you don't have a lot of moisture to your head. And the other thing I really like is I like the wipes. So as you know, if you're bald, your head gets shiny. So it can get shiny where it looks like you're kind of sweating. And so it's really nice it's a really fresh refresh. So these are great. Throw them in my luggage, travel with, things like that. So head and body wipes, I don't really use them on my body. I use it more on my head. Doesn't irritate my head, doesn't give me any issues or whatever. So that's really kind of nice as well. Other cool features, nose trimmer. Older you get, you're gonna need it. So might as well have it. And it has a buffing too. It has some buffing capabilities, so if you want to use that. It also has a rubber buffer too, which I have here somewhere that I used. Yeah, so it's got that as well. So those are really cool features. They connect to the same razor. The chargeability of it, the battery of it's fantastic. So I never had a problem with that. I keep it on a little holder that it comes with. So that's really kind of a nice feature that you don't really have any issues with that. So overall, great functionality, great features of it. Not for me. Just from I just have never gotten used to an electric shaver. It takes me longer actually with an electric shaver because I want a really smooth head when I'm done. So I use basically a 4-blade regular shaver, regular blade. So that's more what I will end up going with. But I will use this for all the extra functionality and features. It is the best electric shaver I've ever tried. I've tried multiple. It is the best one I've ever tried so far. And so if you want to give an electric razor a try, it's a great gift idea for the holidays. It comes with this nice little kit that you can travel with. So if you want to put all your stuff in there, there you go. Comes with this nice little kit. You can put all your stuff. It's got a little carrying thing at the top. So it's like a kit that holds all of your little features that you want to it, and it's really easy to travel with. So that's it. Overall review. Best electric razor I've tried, so if you're used to an electric razor, this is probably going to be better than what you got, for sure. But if you are a quick shave guy with a blade that you've been doing it for a lot of years, you're not going to get as tight a shave with an electric razor no matter what that you would with using a razor blade. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. See the open box video. I'll put it in the link description below. And this is the Freedom Grooming kit. And that's it. We'll see you next time.